here I have HUAWEI Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to just open screen which you want to capture, so it could be like settings list or just your home screen, and then press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down. Let's get it. So one last time: volume down, power key at the same time, and we got this screenshot. You can find it in gallery, as you can see here, in the screenshots albums, and here it is. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots, or perform other actions from this list. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.